It's a stadium decades in the making, and it's brought decades of great memories to Fresno State fans.
All season long, we've met some new Bulldogs: Ryan Matthews, Marlon Moore, Moses Harris. But it was the 16 seniors that wouldn't let this team quit in January, that wouldn't let them lose today. The one loss was a nighttime game. Back in 2005, Dog fans remember that one well. 16th ranked Bulldogs fell 38-35.
But this year, when he collapses the pocket, Chris Carter will have an extra weapon with him, his now healed left hand.
The Bulldogs held their Friday walkthrough at Lewiston High School, electing not to make the trip out to Moscow until tomorrow night. Moses Harris comes from his safety position, and he brings the lumber with him. But as hard as he hits on the field, he hits the books even harder off the field. On the road with the Dogs in Las Cruces, New Mexico. On the road with the Dogs in Lewiston, Idaho. On the road with the Dogs in Reno, Nevada. Ralph Gaston for KC24 Sports Central.